Hello guys, today I will show you how to install graphics acceleration with native supported GPU on Catalina. As previous I used Asus 210 graphics card which is not supported on Mojave and High Sierra OS, but on Catalina it's not supported and found some issues. After some research I found solution with graphics card GT710. So I will install the Mac OS using this. Let's install it. So let's start the installation. First I will remove my old graphics card, which is Asus 210, which is supported in old Mac OS. Now I used GT710 graphics card for Catalina. Let me unbox it. I installed the graphics card. Now I used hard disk, which is SSD hard disk and 480 GB. Let me unbox it. All hardware details are added in description. You can buy it from there. While installing Catalina, if you found any issue related to graphics acceleration, please contact me on comment with all hardware details. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. Now guys, Catalina is installed successfully. You can see it. Now I am going to about this Mac, and you can see the default NVIDIA chip model is displayed. Now I will set up a native graphic. For this I have to uncheck default boot flag. Let's see how I set up it. Now PC is restarted. Now you have to go to option, where you can find the option for graphics injector. You have to uncheck this graphics NVIDIA. After that I return boot my OS from Catalina. Now my Catalina OS is installed, and you have to install multi-bits. If you not familiar with this, you can check the description. I provide all links to there. Now I have installed this multi-bits and going to open it. Click on quick start. Then from here you have to select UEFI boot mode, then leave as it is, and now you don't have to select anything here, leave it as it is. Now I built it and install. Let's see guys, this after restarting my PC, the native supported CPU is installed successfully. You can check this here, right? So you have to only install UEFI boot mode. So using this you can use natively supported driver without installing any NVIDIA driver for macOS. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.